So here is how you guys can turn on or off mobile cellular data on Samsung phone. So you can do this quickly with notification bar, but in some phones that won't come with setup. So you need to set up here. As you guys can see that I don't have mobile data icon here. So hit on this pencil button and hit on this full edit button. And you need to find here mobile data. So this is the icon you need to drag and drop here. To drag it and drop here. So you can customize accordingly where you want it to put this. So tap and done. Now, whenever you guys swipe down the notification bar, you'll see right here. So you can simply toggle this on, activate this mobile data. And if you wanted to go deeper level of this mobile data page, you can hold this and you can see you can access all the mobile data information, like how much data it's been consuming, yada yada stuff here. So you can also save data by choosing this ultra data saving mode by turning on this ultra data saving mode. So you can turn this on and tap and agree. So this is how you should turn on or turn off data and customize. Thank you so much for watching.